Hello class, we're on activity 13, page 71. Here we're going to find the mistakes, and some of them all of them I'll explain, at least 1 through 4. And then you will complete the rest, and the answer key is online. The first one is, my grandmother and my grandfather are interesting peoples. Where's the mistake? Good. Peoples. Because the word people is actually plural. It means more than one. So we do not need to add an S. So that's how you fix the first one. Number 2, my grandmother has 82 years old. There's one mistake. Good. My grandmother is. This is past tense, and it's the wrong one, but my grandmother is 82 years old. Let me try a different marker so you can see where we're fixing things. There we go. Her is a wonderful cook. I'm going to explain this one. Let me erase. So right here, the pronoun her is wrong. It should be she is a wonderful cook. Sorry. So let me explain why it's she and her and how does that work. In a sentence, we have the subject, verb, and object. So a simple sentence that you can think about is, I kiss him. Okay, object receives the verb. So him, what is he receiving? He receives the kiss. The subject is who? I kissed, yes? But who receives the kiss? Him. So the object is the receiving part. So when it comes to pronouns, on this side of the subject you have I, you, then you will have he, she, it, they, we. This will always be on the front, before the verb. After the verb, when it's an object, it must be a different pronoun. So if it's I, on this end would be I, me, you, you. That one's the same. He, him, she, her. It, that one stays the same. They, them. Sorry. We, us. So when you look at sentences, if you can practice writing them down, on this side of the verb, the subject, you will use I, you, he, she, it, they, we. Let me fix the light so you can see it. And then object. On the other side of the verb, it's him, me, you, her, it, them, us. So if you can remember what's on what side, you will find out what you need to fix in the sentence. Let's look at the next one real quick. My grandfather, 80 years old. What's missing? Right. The verb is missing. My grandfather is 80 years old. So when I look at a sentence, I always look for the verb. And then after the verb, I see what's on this side, the subject. And then after the verb, the object. All right, let's go to the next lesson.